Hi there, my name is Ladine Lewis, and I'll be speaking briefly about model view controller patterns in our CUPS application. The model view controller or MVC design pattern specifies that an application consists of a data model, presentation information or view, and control information or controller. The pattern requires that each of these is separated into different objects. The model, for example, the data information, contains only the pure application data. It contains no logic describing how to present the data to the user. So here's an example of the MVC control pattern. So here's an example of our MVC pattern. Here we can see that we have some data relating to our code, including some attributes for product, name, unit cost, category, etc., and constructors and other items that don't relate to how data is presented to the user. An example of MVC pattern in our code is shown here. We have some code that describes a class product, including some attributes, constructors, getters, and setters, all of which don't contain any data that shows how data is displayed to the user. The view presents the model's data to the user. The view knows how to access the model's data, but it does not know what this data means or what the user can do to manipulate it. The controller exists between the view and the model. It listens to events triggered by the view or another external source and executes the appropriate reaction to these events. In most cases, the reaction is to call a method on the model. Since the view and the model are connected through a notification mechanism, the result of this action is then automatically reflected in the view. And that's it for MVC patterns. Thank you for watching.